how to redeem points from Earnify. Here's how it works. You want to open up the app and access your wallet. You will launch the Earnify app and tap on the rewards or wallet tab to check your current point balance and available rewards. You will check your redeemable rewards. You want to look for available few discounts such as 5 cents off per gallon or in-store items like snacks, coffee cups. You may need at least 250 points to redeem. You will then select a reward and redeem. You will tap redeem points and then choose your reward. For example, 0.5 cents off per gallon or a free snack. You will tap claim to confirm it. You can use your reward at the pump. You will pay using the Earnify app or swipe your linked card. You will enter your loyalty ID if needed and you'll see the price drop automatically. In store, you will show your app at checkout, scanner will give your loyalty number and your reward will be applied. You can also track the redemption in app. You will head over to your history tab and see your redeemed rewards, fuel discounts and earned points. Great for keeping tabs on your loyalty progress. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.